अच्छा 16 नॉट्स का टैक्सी करेगा।
वो है ना कमाल का सीन। 45 डिग्री एंगल 120 की स्पीड से जंप करेंगे सीधा प्लेन उस पार।
My pretty 21,000 horsepower baby is chilling right here. बहुत धूप है भाई, बड़ी गर्म है ये। Yes, Macha. Macha, he came running. He's like, Sankas, wait, we need to put the onions first. Paul. What? Okay. Hello people, what's up? I hope you are doing absolutely good and amazing. Very good morning from Farmer Flights. We just got done with our briefing now. We're gonna be heading to the Debrecen International Airport for our air experience. First, technically, official air experience, because it was the 4th of July where we had the taxi and ground maneuvers, but also we had time, then we went for the air experience. ज़्यादा देर नहीं हो पाया because it was heavy crosswinds. Even the crosswinds are today also, but let's see how it goes. That's air experience. One batch is already there. The other batch we are gonna be leaving. We're just waiting for the guy to come pick us up, and I'll let you all know how it goes. Super excited for it. Fingers crossed.
Yeah,
इसको use करो.
taxiway is a one-way road, bro. I mean, if you wanna race to the runway, or you can go to 22 left and I can go to 04 right, and we'll
Okay.
see who reaches first.
No, but you know what? If you go to 04 right, you're gonna be taking ज़्यादा time. Because if you compare with Hangar 1 Hangar, वो पास है. मेरा वाला पास है.
I have an entire range of thrust, bro.
अब तो क्या मैं
Taxi है 60 knots.
अच्छा 16 नॉट्स का टैक्सी करेगा.
Double the speed, वो है ना कमाल का सीन. 45 डिग्री एंगल 120 की स्पीड से जंप करेंगे सीधा प्लेन उस पार.
Wow, Adi, you were so smart.
Thank you. ये रहा एंगल, ये रहा स्पीड और ये रहा कार. तूने मेरी प्लेन तोड़ दी. ये मेरे बाप की गाड़ी थी, तेरे बाप की नहीं. तू ऐसे एक्ट कर रहा है जैसे तेरा प्लेन बूम ब्लास्ट हो गया.
जैसे तेरी गाड़ी ब्लास्ट हो गई हो.
All the best.
And I sit in the scorching sun.
Seriously man. इसे ऑन कर जल्दी. 14 कर. 16 है, 14 कर. अरे कल यही तो है जो मुझे जिंदा रखता है. Paul's always like a model, bro. Paul's always like a model. He was standing unconsciously and he was still like a model. But November kilo, Juliet is out. Anya is like that. Gonna do the pre-flight inspection. Paul's gonna fly this. Beautiful aircraft. Paul's the first one. I'm the second, so it's the third. So it's the fourth one. There you go. Boeing 737. Now I'm going. Next is me. Let's see how it goes. I'm just departing off for Boeing 737. I don't know how it's gonna go, but let's hope for the best. Just that. Yeah. Thank you. All the best. Alright, so people, it's 2:12 in the afternoon. We're back at Farmer Flights. And I'm just gonna go get my 21,000 horsepower bicycle, sorry. Last vlog मैंने ये गलती करी थी. And then we'll head back home. Was a long day. Air experience was amazing. All the things went super good. And yeah, super tired. सन बहुत जोर से थप्पड़ पड़ रही है अभी ना, चटके पड़ रहे हैं एकदम धूप के. तो जल्दी घर निकलना है. बस जाके भाई लेट जाओ. सुबह उठे हो, जाके लेट जाओ, सो जाओ आराम से. हैव योर फूड एंड देन प्रिपेयर फॉर योर कल का फ्लाइट. सो या दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. जो एक इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ बच्चे थे वो भी ब्रीफिंग करने गए हैं, डीब्रीफिंग करने गए हैं अपनी। ऑल्दो हमारी ब्रीफिंग हो गई थी, डीब्रीफिंग हो गई थी सॉरी, लैंड करते साथ ही। सो वी आर जस्ट लीविंग नाउ। कार See ya. Yes, maybe we need to stop the music because if copyright comes in.
Hey Siri. Stop the music.
अब तो और बंद कर।
Why are you stopping Lana Del Rey?
Bro, yeah. So copyright, bro. Copyright. Even I love Del Rey. Why is copyright?
Lana Del Rey.
Fuck off.
It will be hard. It's hard. It's soft.
What is hard and what is soft? Macha.
Yeah, macha.
What is hard and what is soft, Macha?
You fuck off, macha.
Macha, tell Macha.
I'm not gonna give you content, macha. I'm not giving you.
Macha, you are the content. No.
I'm gonna put it aside. Now make 5 holes.
Please try again.
Make 5 holes, and in each hole you have to put egg. Do that. Nice.
Amazing. Well, people, a day after the air experience, आज हमारी फ्लाइट थी, कैंसिल हो गई। सबकी नहीं हुई, हम 5 minutes, I'm done. Where was I? I forgot. हाँ, तो सबकी नहीं हुई। हम मेरे, पॉल की, आन्या, कार्तिक की, we are from 2 different batches, हमारी हुई because of the autumn release regarding to airport something was happening. कल की भी हमारी फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई है, हमारे पूरे बैच की, मैं, पॉल, सिद्धार्थ, क्योंकि of the weather conditions. The winds are gusting from 17 to 32, which is not at all ideal or suitable for us to take off, land or do any maneuvers in air or on ground. So yeah, that's the reason अब 2 दिन हमारी फ्लाइंग कैंसिल हो रखी है, which is acceptable क्योंकि बाद में जाके फ्लाइंग आवर्स बढ़ जाएगी हमारी, तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। बट of course a bit of a setback, you know, just pushes you down, क्योंकि अगर लगातार फ्लाइंग हो रही है ना, सो you get that pace, you're like चलो भाई ठीक है, नेक्स्ट डे भी हमारी फ्लाइंग है, सो you'll get used to it and you'll love it. But if something happens to that pace, then you know थोड़ा दिक्कत आता है to cope up with it again regarding the maneuvers and all that in air. So yeah, well, that was all about our first air experience. It was good, it was quite an experience. So yeah, looking forward to more of it, and I'm looking forward to post everything on YouTube. With that being said, I would like to take your leave for this one. Hoping to see you all super soon on another one. Until then, take it easy and take care, people. Signing off, this was Sanka.